breaking news. It's the 67 deal incident that's
A large pizza for $6.70? Are you kidding me right, meow?
Catch? No delivery. And you have to enter code 67? Meow. What on earth does 67 mean? This kit porter is on the case, meow. It all started with this rapper's song, 67, Meow.
And check this out right here on the screen. The connection between the team and the fans is undeniable tonight. They're all doing the 67 sign, meow.
The shocking truth. The real meaning of 67 is absolutely nothing, meow. 67 equals meme, meow, but 6.70 equals pizza, meow. We are giving value to a meaningless meme, meow. Perfect. So, is it a good deal? Fact check. It's even cheaper than their old deal, meow. The public reaction. This is wild! It's a viral sensation, meow. A challenger appears. We have 67-cent wings, meow. It's an all-out meme war for Gen Z, meow. What case should this kit porter crack next?
Subscribe, like this video, turn on notifications. Love ya!